Today we're going to be changing out the climate control unit on our 2010 Ford Fusion. Apparently our unit is broken and so we can't get any cold air for air conditioning. What you'll need for this job today is a socket ratchet and extension. This is 8 millimeters for the two up here, and this is 7 millimeters for two more down here. You also need a pry tool to help you pry some of these parts off, and you'll need a T20 Torx to help get the unit out of this cluster that we have right here. First thing you do is open this up and take out your rubber mat. Two 8 millimeter screws right here, and we're gonna take those out right now. There we go. That's the first one. And the second one. Second one. All right, now that you have that done, we're just gonna lift this off. Like this. And we're gonna take the hazards, unplug the hazard. There you go. So this clip here, you just gotta press this little tiny tab right here. And there's another one on this side, right here. Just press that tab. Now you can take this off, and we'll put it down here. Now we have two 7 millimeters screws I need to get out. Now you have your two screws out, but you can't get this panel out until you take this panel out, and you can't take this panel out until you take this panel out. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm just gonna pry this up with my fingers. I didn't even need a pry tool. And then I'm gonna get my pry tool, or you can use a flathead screwdriver, whichever's more convenient for you, and just pry this up right here. Here. Put my emergency brake up. You don't have to take this piece off. We're just trying to get to this one right here to pry it up. All right. Now this one will come right out. Just slide that like that. Okay. Now you can remove your center console. Right out with your hands, and we got some more clips to undo. And we're just gonna have to unhook some of these right here. Unhook the first one, and then your two main ones down here. Just press on that right there. Just press that in the middle. You should be able to pull it out. And then this one over here. Let's press the tab up there. So the tab on this one is right here. Okay, just got one more down here, and press that one in the middle and pull that out. Right. Now that we have the unit out, there are 4 T20s. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we're going to use our T20 to take those out and put our new mechanism in. Remove this old unit, put on our new unit, just like this. Fits in perfectly. Now let's just take our unit and we'll reinstall it. We're just gonna do the reverse plugs. There we go. And one more here. Okay. Put it like that so you don't. We have two of these to plug back in. It's right at the top here. Yep, they're working. And this bottom one. Okay, now we have that. Set that back in. In like that. So this has fixed our issue. Not only did we get a nicer looking climate control unit with all the black marks on it and everything, no white marks, but it fixed our air conditioning problem. We had looked at our air conditioning, it was charged, the pipes were cold, but we were getting no cold air out here when we put it on AC. So it was a bad unit, bad climate control unit. Now we have a good one in and we've got cold AC. And that's how you fix your climate control panel. When your AC is not working, you got a good compressor, you have cold pipes, it's gonna be your control unit right here. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.